2015, we asked ourselves a question: what is the biggest problem anybody marketing has? And everybody we spoke to complained of one thing. That problem is that no matter what they did, 70 to 98% of the audience coming to their websites always leave. It doesn't matter how good their sales pages and lead pages are, how engaging their blog content or website is, no matter how amazing and cheap the products they're selling on their e-commerce store is, and regardless of how targeted the traffic they drive is, 70 to 98% of the visitors that land on their page do not convert. Even when their campaigns are profitable and turning in great ROI, all the sales and leads they're getting are just from the little 2 to 30% of the visitors that end up sticking. And for a lot of people, especially those driving traffic to their online stores and product sales pages getting only 2 to 10% conversions, even on extremely cheap offers, they still end up losing 90% of the potential customers. Very sad, right? Now, imagine how much sales and leads your campaigns could be generating for you day in, day out, if only you could stop the 90% of your prospects who dumped your website and somehow convert them to your email subscribers and paying customers by presenting them with irresistible offers, incentives, and coupons. Even if you couldn't convert all of them, even if you could only convince just about half of these visitors already abandoning your websites and cards to not leave and instead opt into your list for a gift, or try the product free for a few days to see if it's right for them, or maybe a huge discount, that would make a lot of difference in your campaigns, right? We had this big problem too. We were losing a big chunk of our visitors, and because we use paid ads and email marketing to drive all our traffic, this was really painful, as we paid for every single visitor that lands on our page. So when they leave without subscribing or buying anything, we lose money. So we set out to find a solution to this problem, so we can stop visitors from leaving. And of course, there were a lot of exit intent and cart abandonment platforms out there, but they all had the same problems. They charge monthly subscription fees. Every month you have to pay them to keep using it, or they cut off your access, and they charged as much as $39 to $199 per month, depending on the platform. For me, this sucked. Wouldn't you love to pay once and just have access for life? That's just the tip of it. All of them restrict you in one way or the other by limiting the number of websites you can run these exit intent campaigns on. They also limit the number of campaigns you can set per account. Even worse, they also limit the number of visitors they can serve your campaigns to monthly, usually just 5,000 per month. Once up to 5,000 visitors have landed on your site, they stopped displaying your campaigns until you fork over more money to them. But here's the biggest problem that really kicked it to the curb for us. They didn't have enough templates that can allow you to split test effectively and run dynamic campaigns. The few they had weren't high converting templates, and audience targeting rules were really just mediocre at best. These platforms were not built by marketers like us who really understand what's working and what's not when it comes to converting sales and leads. They were mostly developed by coders who no doubt are great when it comes to developing software, but 100% suck at marketing and converting sales. And that's when we set out to build our own ultimate all-in-one exit intent, remarketing and cart abandonment software that's designed with marketers like you and me in mind. A platform that will give you lifetime access for just a one-time payment, yet offer unlimited everything. I'm talking unlimited campaigns, use on unlimited websites, unlimited visitors, and the whole 9 yards. Introducing ReClick. It took months of hard work in 2015, and eventually we launched the first version 1.0 in February 2016. We had thousands of members join us during the opening, and since then, they're closing more sales, recovering visitors already leaving their sites, and overall just generating massive ROI. For us, that was just the starting of the journey. We went back to the drawing board. We took in every suggestion from our early members, and we rebuilt the entire platform from scratch, and added amazing features making the best exit intent and remarketing software in the market even better. Introducing the all-new ReClick 2.0, we made the smartest and most brilliant exit intent software bigger and badder. We added in new technologies that other software in its class has not even thought of building, including matting, sticky gum, Linko, and tab re-engagement technology. We have one goal and one goal only: to load up ReClick platform with enough juice to swallow visitors whole on your websites and turn them into profits. When you browse through this page, you're going to see how we've built it. Remember, all it takes for your campaigns to break even and rake in more profits is to convert just one visitor with ReClick. You'll be converting hundreds to thousands of visitors daily. Go ahead now and lock in your access to ReClick 2.0. During this special launch offer, we've crazily priced ReClick 2.0 to sell at an unbelievably low one-time fee. The price will go up when the timer hits 0. If you want to know more on how you can use ReClick in your marketing campaigns to become more profitable, then go through this page. Otherwise, sit back and watch a live demonstration of the most powerful exit intent and cart abandonment software ever. Then lock in your lifetime access. What if a single line of code could change everything about your marketing and rain profits on your business overnight? Yes, this code. It looks pretty simple, right? Plus, it's tiny. But what if that single piece of code is all your business needs to get more traffic, more leads, and more sales? Would you copy and paste that code onto your website? The major reason why most people fail to profit online is because they've never successfully converted their visitors into subscribers and buyers. No matter how much traffic these online business owners drive to their landing pages or websites, their visitors almost always leave without subscribing or buying any of their offers. And most of the time, you're stuck trying to figure out why the offer is not converting. You spend so much time tweaking the little things that you hardly have time to do what really matters in your business, and that's generating profit, and a lot of it. If you thought that another targeting software, analytic tool, heat map, or some split testing is all you need to fix your problem, then you are in for a very long rabbit hole. How about you skip all that madness and copy a profit hack that guarantees you'll convert more visitors and make 2 to 3 times more sales on every single campaign you run, starting today. And we call this a profit hack because the results are so insane. But this is a one-stop marketing system that's unlike anything you've ever seen. For the first time ever, a cloud marketing software that allows you to recapture, re-engage, and remarket to your audience using our flagship behavioral segmentation marketing technology that will have your visitors taking action like brainwashed disciples. And even better, this is the only other system in this entire planet using the addictive customer-driven funnels technology to acquire customers. With ReClick, visitors will never leave your site again, at least not until you've converted them into subscribers and paying customers. And all you have to do is log into the app and set up a campaign that takes less than 2 minutes to complete. Copy a single line of code and start crushing it. Let me show you how crazy easy this is. When you first log into ReClick, you'll notice the neat and orderly design philosophy. The user interface is the result of a breakthrough design language that we've taken to a whole new level. You can create as many projects and campaigns as you want, organize the campaigns into projects for easy sorting and collaboration. You could build campaigns in any niche and for any market, regardless of the offer you're promoting. They work for selling physical products, promoting local businesses, generating fresh leads for your online business, driving more customers to your restaurants, selling apparel and fitness products, and more. And you can integrate these campaigns anywhere you want, including on WordPress, Shopify, Leadpage, OptimizePress, HTML pages, and most third-party landing page builders. ReClick comes with over 50 beautiful and high-converting templates that accommodate a wide range of niches: local business, internet and social marketing, e-commerce, blogging, and more. Campaigns range from simple lead generation, discount coupons, deals to advanced polls, surveys, social profile promotion, and blog posts. One of ReClick's most cutting-edge features is the real-time template performance analysis. This analysis makes it possible to rank templates by their conversion rates or popularity. And with the live WYSIWYG editor, ReClick is simply a joy to use. You can switch from minimized to full-screen campaigns and bring our full pattern disrupt marketing technologies into your campaigns. The choice is entirely yours. With over 40 built-in animations, you'll recapture and re-engage your visitors in less than 1 second, even if they were already leaving your site. We've also built in our flagship location-aware technology. Now, you can personalize your campaigns and make them responsive to the location of your customers. With ReClick's customer-driven funnels, we're bringing you the exact technology that powers our flagship Mints app, allowing you to build very profitable campaigns that will have your customers begging to buy your products, even before they hit the shelves. We've also built in a system that allows you to generate free viral traffic that loads itself, essentially making ReClick a push-button traffic machine, so your offers and campaigns go instantly viral on social media without you lifting a finger. We've designed a simple yet powerful split testing engine to make sure you get the best of your campaigns. You can split test up to 3 campaigns at once, sharing the traffic volume between them. Then, sit and watch their performance, or allow ReClick to manage them automatically. ReClick will analyze the campaigns and automatically activate the best performing campaign when the set test is complete. You won't have to lift a finger. The analytics gives deep insight into the performance of your campaign. You can see who's viewing and interacting with your campaign, plus the conversions. And when you need even more insight, all you've got to do is turn to ReClick widgets. ReClick is completely API integrated with most of the apps you already use, and it features a built-in lead management tool. ReClick will make collaboration with others easier than ever before. Assign them sub-user roles and privileges to use specific ReClick features. When it comes to ReClick, there's nothing we left out. When we called this a profit hack, you thought it was a hype, but now you see it was an understatement. ReClick is a marketing revolution waiting